Your ticket, miss?
Here you are.
All is in order. Please board.
Thank you. Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome. Safe travels.
I will. Goodbye.
Is everything all right, miss?
Yes, thank you. Just thinking.
Very well. Enjoy the ride.
Excuse me, sir. Are you the conductor?
Yes, I am. How can I help?
Just curious about the journey.
Traveling far today, miss?
Just to the next town.
It's a peaceful journey.
Maybe I wasn't invisible. I was just listening to the wrong silence. 11:12. So it was real. Maybe being quiet doesn't mean being small. Maybe it means you're listening to things other people don't hear. And maybe that's enough.